William Ruto choko ke chik mano mar loko osuru mano mabende ijogo e mwandugo mago mag modhi mabende dho ngere luongo kata dendo ni Value Added Tax Amendment Bill 2026. Ne ochoko ke e kar jot mare mayudore bore Nairobi kocha, gino mabende biro bedo ka duoko piny osuru makamano kawuok e atamalo 16 nyaka atamalo 8. Mae bende dhi reso jopiny e wi nengo mano mag modhi mabende sani to koro ne omedore e pacho kae. Paro ni ne ochwal e od bura kod jatend kweth mano Kimani Ichung'wah.
Assembly to place before you this vellum copies, 6 of them, of a short bill, only 2 clauses, but very impactful, called the Value Added Tax Amendment Bill 2026. This bill, Your Excellency, was introduced in the House by the Deputy Leader of the Majority Party, the distinguished member for Kilifi North, on behalf of the Majority Party. Your Excellency, this bill follows a dispatch that came from the National Treasury, dated 10th of April, which advised that His Excellency the President request the National Assembly to amend Cap 476, that the VAT Act, so as to cushion Kenyans from the possible effect of the rising in petroleum products, Your Excellency, rising costs of petroleum and petroleum products, Your Excellency. The bill, Your Excellency, was introduced the 17th, Your Excellency. The bill was introduced and passed in a record time yesterday on 16th, Your Excellency, in all stages, first reading, second reading, Committee of the Whole House, and third reading.